Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Cider AI for free. In order to do so, here we are at cider.ai, and all you have to do is just click on this nice big button that says add to Chrome now. It's free, and then you want to make sure that it's active in your extensions as well. Then you should see this little icon here up at the top that indicate it is, and you should also find this icon here at the bottom right hand corner, which if you click will open Cider. And then from there with Cider, you can ask questions of the top AI models available so that you can compare answers and get the answers you're looking for. You've got Cider Fusion, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek. It's all here, and it really is a fantastic tool. It's one of my favorite tools. I can't live without it now. And if you're interested in checking it out for yourself, just take a look at the link tree in the description. Click on the link in the description there. You'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI promotions and including Cider. So if you want to get started with Cider, click on that link there. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. I can personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.